What's up, guys? ViperFPV here, and today I'm announcing another giveaway for some T-shirts I actually had custom done. I think only a couple of people actually on this channel have actually gotten one of these shirts. So I'm actually going to be giving a whole bunch of them away. I'm going to be giving 7 of these things away. The only caveat is that, unfortunately, due to shipping, I can only do this for United States guys here. So if you're in the U.S., go ahead and comment down below, and you can go ahead and win yourself one of these shirts. I'll be drawing a winner on the 1st of April, and we'll be picking up some winners for the shirts. I have large, medium, and extra large. I don't believe I have any 2X, unfortunately, but these shirts are actually really, really nice. This is the shirt I've been had, and this thing has been in the wash countless times. And yeah, so if you want to go ahead and enter into the giveaway, I'm giving 7 of these things away. Comment down below. But I do want to give you guys another update on the channel. I'm actually in the progress of updating my budget build video with the $120 drone build. I'm actually just upgrading the motors to the Eco 2 motors and just changing a little bit of other things on it, like the camera. So you'll probably be seeing that come out on the channel probably in the next few weeks, few months. I've kind of slowed down on making videos, like doing 2 videos a week, just because it's just been too much on me personally, just to keep up with that demand. So I went ahead and started going to about once a week or so to release videos, and I feel like that's a lot more manageable to go ahead and do. But if you support this channel, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you want to pick up a shirt. But this is ViperFPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.